Today on Huffler Garage, we're going to be taking the factory airbox out and modifying it instead of doing a cold air intake. I found this modification on one of the forums, which I'll link down below. So let's get started. First, there's two Phillips head screws here that need to be removed. Then we can remove this piece from the, and then pull up on this one. Come just right out. Next, we're going to remove this cable and the mass airflow sensor. So I ended up having to use a pick because I broke this tab off. There's two spring clamps, one here and one down by the compressor. It should just lift out. There's two grommets here. Now we're going to take apart the two halves of the airbox. Got two screws here. Hole in the base here, so this fits, and this pulls air from the side fender through the fog light grill, and then this will gather air towards that area. You can do further modifications and cut through your fender, make a bigger hole so that you get more cold air. So we're going to start by taking the silencer out. So what I've done is marked a line. It's hard to see because it's in black, but from about 1.5 inches down from this intake, and then around the side almost in line with this bracket down, and then about 1 inch or so over from this hole, and you just make a square, and then we're going to cut that out. Alright, once you clean it out, then I'm going to go ahead and put a high performance air filter in. I got mine just off ecstuning. I just picked one that didn't have a, that was oil free. And then, I mean, you can choose any one you want or not. This just helps. You'll hear a little bit more sound from the turbo. I bought a ecstuning silicone hose. You can get these from about anywhere. It just helps smooth the intake track, a little bit more flow.